Three things women secretly need, but they will never tell you as a man. This is the reason why they prefer old men. Yes, so if you are a man, you want to know the reason why young ladies of nowadays prefer older men to younger men. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the three secrets women are hiding, and that is why they run to older men. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, natural ways to keep men, both relationship advice and dating advice for both men and women. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, join us by subscribing, hit the like button to support this channel, and make sure that you turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new content, it will notify you of my new upload. So thank you for watching, and also thank you for stopping by. Now, it is all about three things women secretly want, but they will never disclose it to their men, or she will never disclose it to her man, but inside her she needs these three things. And this is the reason why they go to older men than younger guys. So number one is money, less sex. Yes, they go to older men because older men give them more money and require or ask less sex. One round is enough for older men. Yes, like I said earlier, older men give more money, but young guys don't give more money to ladies. Older men requires less sex. One round is enough for him, but young guys requires multiple sex, and multiple rounds is not even enough for him. Number two is petting. Yes, as older men pet his family, he has experience on how to pet others, so he will apply it to a younger girl, and younger ladies like this most, but they will never tell you. Older men knows how to pet. They can pet a woman, absolutely. They can console a woman, they can tolerate a woman, but younger guys cannot do the way older men do. So young ladies go to older men because they pet them very well. Number three and the last is care. Yes, older men cares a lot. They know how to care. They know how to provide, how to seek solution to women's problem, how to bring solution. They can give you attention, because if that older man love you most, he will give you attention. But young guys don't give much attention because he may be planning for his future. He may be fighting things that will help him to become successful. So in this aspect, he will never give a woman enough attention, and which women need attention and care. They can get it from older men, and this is the reason why young ladies goes to older women than younger men. So this is what I want to disclose in this video, and I believe that you get value. Support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share this video to people you know that need this secret. See you in my next video. I wish you the best. Bye.